back at it with another video. If you guys saw the last one, we got the Acti Street 100% working okay. I got the rims balanced and the def wattle's officially gone. I think for the Street I'm basically done. I want to change the radio so I can have Bluetooth and not have to use this all the time. And then I just ordered the valve cover gasket and the 3 tube seals, so that should be here next week. So I think we're pretty much done working on the Street for the moment. In today's video, I want to install the new front strut bar on this, and then I want to take the Beat on a long drive to see if we feel or hear any differences after installing the power chamber intake. I don't think there's really going to be any real like performance upgrades, but I would love to get that every time I'm accelerating in this thing, because the ITBs already sound amazing. I'm also very curious to see how the car is going to handle. Before, I've been rocking these 14 by 4.5s all around. Now I'm back on the stock setup, which I've never drove this car on. These are 13 by 4.5s in the front and then 14 by 5s in the back with brand new tires that are balanced, and we're adding a strut bar. So I think after all this, the car should feel and sound a lot better in my opinion. So let's go ahead and install the strut bar. I already started to remove these. They're both 14s. Had to fix the preload a little bit, which was shocking. I thought because it came off a Beat that it would have been perfect, but now we're all set. Let's put this back in. And just like that, we have our beautiful carbon fiber front strut bar. What I'm gonna do now is grab my second camera, because I want to use this one in the cabin, of course, but I want to have another camera back here just so we could get even more of that engine note. So I think my plan with this camera is that I'm just gonna suction cup it right here like that, and I'm gonna keep that rolling, and then whatever clips from there are worth using, we'll use them. Let's give it a rev right away, see if we can hear it. I hear it. I don't really know if it's a placebo. We're gonna see how it sounds in the back as well, but I definitely hear the difference. Am I gonna feel the difference? Probably not, but yes, way louder. There's no air filter. I got the intake. It is way louder. In my opinion, a significant difference. Exactly the same, but it sounds really good. New York block code. Let me see how it feels handling wise. I don't know, I'm going pretty slow to really give you a real significant difference, but it does feel real smooth. I think if I put the top down, you'll hear it even more. So let's test that theory. Wow. Wow, if you don't have an intake on your car or velocity stacks, I think the Beat sounded great stock, but now, still slow. It's still not as fast as the Cappuccino, but I think I'm liking it a lot more. I keep saying that I'm gonna sell it, I'm gonna keep the Street's a lot more better as a daily, but this thing, like, let's downshift real quick. Oof. First straightaway in a while. We're going 40 in second. Still haven't got around any whiny turns, so I'm waiting to see how it feels, but sound wise, 10 out of 10. Let's see how it sounds with the windows up. Oh my god. Wow. This thing is orgasmic the way it sounds. Finally about to get on the highway. It looks like there's a lot of traffic, but I know it'll eventually die down. Do you hear that? Just listen to how it sounds right now, right? Like normally, I'll put the camera a little back here. You can't tell me there's not a significant difference. If you own a Beat, comment below. I would love to hear this from here all the way to Miami. So let's see if we can make that happen. I got the Dolphins jersey on for a reason. I want to drive this car or the Street to Miami. I'm not sure which one yet, but I want to do it. I think the best way to describe it is that now it just has a little like throaty sound. You don't hear it all the time. I don't hear the Like, I don't hear that much from the car, but I do hear a little like aggressive throaty sound. And the ITBs, in my opinion, sound amazing already. That's definitely one of my favorite things about the car. But now you hear it higher in the RPMs, and now it just sounds so good. I don't even know how to describe it. I can't put my words behind it, but just listen. Like, this is how it normally sounds. And then if you punch it, like the difference right here, like I'm at 5,000 the RPM. It's way louder now. Way louder. That was only to 60 kilometers an hour, which is what, 37 miles per hour. I'm not going fast. And the whole beauty of K cars and why I love them so much is that I love driving slow cars fast. And now it just sounds amazing, and I'm still not going fast, but it sounds even better. Like, it's always about like the driving experience, which I do think the car feels a lot better. I haven't been able to go down any whiny roads yet, but I do have to say, having these brand new tires, having the balance, having the strut bar, the car does feel a lot more firm. I feel like I can do things like this, and it's not as much body roll. But I'll end this video here. I'll let the rest of this just be pure driving so you guys can hear how it sounds. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Since we're doing pure sound,